Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to try out another watercolour. I've been doing a few tutorials online and being very inspired. I'm only just getting into watercolours, so this is all quite new to me. Bit of an experiment, but I thought I'd take you on the journey with me. So today I'm painting a bit of a night scene with a radio telescope in front of it. I grew up in parks, so the radio telescope is a fond memory for me. So to create this one I needed some blue. I've gone dark green, a bit of yellow and red. And later on, there's some white there is too, and later on I add in some black to make it a bit darker. So I'm just wetting down my paper now so I can get started. I mixed in a little white with the blue and I'm wetting it down, and what I'm wanting to get here is a gradient effect. So I've transferred some of the paint into the middle dish and I'm going to start dark at the top and move my way down the page with my paintbrush, creating a lighter effect. Rookie error here is that I hadn't wet my paper enough, and you might see that those spots are appearing there, so something learned for next time. A little green at the base, this is where the radio telescope will sit later. Putting in another layer now just to darken it again. I then decided that this still was not dark enough, so I added some more black and blue, and I was going to make a bit of a darker mix with the black. This made it look more like the nighttime sky. I went all the way down the page, but I came back and lightened this, you'll see. The other thing that I did was add in bits of black at the top just to add a little bit more texture. These are called blooms. And I pulled off some of that darker paint there at the lower end with some paper towel. And touched up the green base. I then gave this some time to dry before I went to the next step. So the next step, of course, was drawing in the radio telescope. Now I had drawn this in pencil and the watercolour went straight over the top, so never mind, know that for next time. And you'll notice that my sketch of the radio telescope isn't perfect, but then again, you know, I'm just starting out, so that's okay. I'm learning as I go. Now here I'm using a technique where I took my brush and I wiped it dry, and I'm getting it to take off some of the paint for me, which leaves a little bit of the texture of the radio telescope on the far side. I then started adding in white paint for the highlights, and I know that this isn't light perfect either. Just go with it. I was. I got all technical here and went for trying out some reflection there as well on the ground. And it wouldn't be a nighttime scene unless we had some stars. So let's flick some of that white paint on to make those. A bit of a star trail for good measure as well. I end up using my Sakura white pen to come in and just highlight some of those white stars a little bit more. I hope that you've enjoyed staying with me while I do a little bit of watercolour this morning. If you are liking what I'm doing, make sure you give me a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel because that will help me out. And I look forward to catching you up in the next video.